Hello, this is Jody McKenzie with Champion Solutions Group, and today we're going to discuss the IBM BigFix Remote Control overview. And this is just a simple diagram that I pulled from IBM, and I'm just going to basically walk over how this is configured and how it will be set up. So you're going to obviously start with your RC server, your remote control server, and database. Now these can be separate or on the same machine. It just depends on your environment. And then also you're going to have a controller, which is going to allow you to control computers over the remote control interface. And then obviously you're going to have a target, which is the machine you would like to target. Now let's say, for example, you have many offices or many locations. What you would do is internally at branch location 1, let's say, you would also install a gateway. And then in another remote office, you would install another gateway. These machines would be configured to talk through the firewall to communicate with one another so that gateway sessions or remote control sessions can be established through the firewall over the WAN. This is for different office setups. However, if you want to manage machines, let's say at Starbucks or at home or on an airplane for that matter, from machines that are not VPN'd in and connecting through a broker server. Now, this will be something either set up in your DMZ or it'll be set up in the cloud somewhere. Then you configure the broker to communicate with the gateway and so on and so forth so that you can manage machines. And lastly, we're going to discuss some of the advantages of remote control versus RDP. Remote control allows you to control targets regardless of their location. That's over the WAN using a gateway or over the internet via a broker. This allows you to seamlessly target any target regardless of whether or not it's connected to the VPN. It works out of the box with Windows, Linux, and Mac machines, which means you don't have to have any additional software to remote control any of your existing hardware. As always, don't forget to ask me about automating your Windows 10 migration. Please stay tuned for my next video on installing IBM BigFix Remote Control Server.